Chennai-based startup Space Zone India has successfully engineered and launched hybrid rockets into the sky, bypassing institutional venture capital entirely. Over the past 7 years, the company self-funded a team of more than 30 engineers and dedicated testing laboratories by reinvesting revenue generated directly from their own engineering services. Founder Anand Megalingam instituted a strict development philosophy: build proprietary intellectual property and validate the hardware on the launchpad before asking for external funding. Because of this disciplined, self-funded approach, investors looking at the company today are evaluating a proven operational baseline rather than taking a gamble on theoretical research. This chart analyzes SCI's hybrid propulsion against traditional liquid and solid rockets. Hybrid engines offer a middle ground, removing regulatory constraints while lowering complexity. A semi-cryogenic oxidizer eliminates expensive turbomachinery, simplifying ground operations. Finally, the vehicle is built explicitly for recovery, relying on straightforward refurbishment. By dropping the turbopumps and prioritizing reusability, this hybrid architecture directly drives down recurring launch expenses, creating highly competitive unit economics for small satellite payloads. That technical foundation was validated through repeated static fire testing, leading to 2 successful rocket launches from the Chennai coast. Those flights included the AKSLV, India's first privately developed hybrid rocket, and Rumi-1, the country's first reusable hybrid rocket deployed from a mobile hydraulic platform. The engineering team operated under the guidance of distinguished Indian scientists, including former DRDO chairman Dr. G. Satish Reddy, ensuring strict oversight. The technology is now gaining international traction. The U.S. Department of State recently selected SCI CEO for a professional exchange program to engage directly with scientists and senior officials at NASA and the U.S. Space Force. Securing domestic hardware milestones alongside high-level geopolitical networking proves the company has the flight-ready intellectual property and the global relationships needed to operate as a commercial launch provider. This visualization illustrates the scale of the impending market demand, showing India's commercial space sector, currently valued at roughly $8.4 billion, expanding against a global space economy projected to exceed $1.8 trillion by 2035. To capture a share of this demand, Space Zone India has entered formal investment discussions to finance their manufacturing expansion and increase their commercial launch cadence. Because the founding team spent 7 years quietly retiring the engineering risks on their own dime, they are now bringing a rare, de-risked execution platform into the commercial space race.